Hi, in front of me is TCL 20L, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this device. First of all, go into Play Store. Now click on the search bar and type iOS Launcher. After that, download this app from this developer and open it. Then choose Allow and click Home button. Select Always over here, go into Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. Then click on Default Apps and select Home app. Lastly, click on iOS Launcher. Tap Got it. And as you can see, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!